So it's been quite a while since we last spoke about the DJI Pocket 4 Pro, and the last time it was actually after DJI's own announcement, dating back to April 2026. It's been almost 2 months now, and there still hasn't been any official statement from DJI. In this video, I'll try to clear things up and give you an actual recap of what we know about the Pocket 4 Pro, with what it seems to be the real release date. I'll start from this image that was leaked a few days ago on X. It shows the back of the box with all the technical details. The highlight is the double camera setup, as we well know, powered by a 1-inch sensor with 17-stop dynamic range. There's no sign of 6K recording as it was previously rumored. Instead, it will record in 4K at 240 frames per second with D-Log 2 compatibility. The internal memory it's upgraded, reaching 103 GB, and the additional 3x optical zoom lens will reach a digital 12x zoom with active track support. The package will also include a fill light and the handle with the 1/4 thread mount. We already knew most of these specs, but some of them are way behind our expectations, mainly considering what the competition is already offering. At the time I'm making this video, Insta360 is just about to launch the Luna Ultra that will record in 8K at 30 frames per second, featuring a dual camera setup with a detachable screen that acts as a wireless microphone and remote. DJI seems far behind all of this, and they didn't even manage to release it before Insta360 did it. The expected release date for the Pocket 4 Pro is in fact late June. Some people are pointing out the 24th as the official release day in Europe, with an earlier launch in China. The price is what remains unknown about the Pocket 4 Pro, while the Luna Ultra has already been listed on several websites, with prices that range between $769 for the base combo and $969 for the creator combo. So, make sure you're subscribed to not miss any new update through the channel's posts, and drop a like if this video was helpful.